In today's video, I'm going to show you how to seamlessly embed your Calendly link into a Wix website. Let's get started. First, head over to your Calendly homepage and choose the meeting type you'd like to add. Click on it, then select Copy Link to grab the URL. Now, switch over to your Wix Editor. On the left-hand side, click the plus sign to add elements. From the menu, go down to Embed. Then choose Embed HTML or HTML iframe. Once the iframe box appears on your page, paste your Calendly link into the website address field. Double check it's correct, then hit apply. Wix will instantly generate an embedded view of your calendar right on the page. From here you can customize the look, drag the frame to position it, or resize it by pulling on the corners until it matches your site's layout. Take a moment to blend it naturally with the design so it feels seamless. And that's it. Your Calendly is now live on Wix. Whether you're booking consultations, classes, or meetings, this integration makes scheduling smooth and professional. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.